Alright, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and just a first look at the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. This is not a review. I just picked these bad boys up. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, what comes in the box, and the review will be coming later. Let's just jump right into it. Let's open this joint up. Yeah, I had to go away to Sunglass Hut for these things. Sunglass Hut, that's crazy, but they the one that had it. Shout out to the people that working at Sunglass Hut. It was kind of hectic this morning. A lot of people was in there, and Tina and the crew did their thing. And they also had a Meta rep that was there doing demos, answering a lot of questions. This time, that part of it, they're doing it right. Let's open this joint up. Right here. We got this, so let's just rip this up. Ooh, nothing like premium stuff. So the first thing we got here is, this looks like the band. It looks like the band that goes around it. Now, fun fact, there's 3 sizes, 1, 2, and 3, depending on your wrist size. What band? Now that's going to go with what size glasses and what limited stock. For me, I thought I was a 3 or 2, but I ended up having to get a 1 because that's the one that fitted my can. So this is the band. Whee! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Yeah! The Meta Ray-Ban display. Right here. This is what we've been waiting for, right? Let's see what it's all about. All right. A nice little premium way. Kind of like the Apple way. That thing seemed premium. I'm just saying. Look at that. Ah, look at that. Nice case. And there you go, fellas. That is the glasses. Some media that we never read. Let's open this up like that. This up like this. Ooh, look at that. That looks premium. All right. That is the band. Here's the band. Now, this, like I said, this band right here is a 1. It looks small. This is the one that fit my wrist. The 2 was kind of big, and the 3, I didn't even try that one because it would have been too big. I could have went with the 2, but I would have had to wear it mostly up here, and I like to wear it down here, so I had to go with this one. As long as my hand don't grow, I'll be good. These are the glasses. Look at there. Look at that. So premium. So premium. The design with the Meta Ray-Ban right there. I guess this is what $800 of glasses look like, right? Throw these joints on. Yeah, I am ready to go. So they got this little thing on here telling you this line gotta face you. I believe that's how it goes. And you pop that up right here. It gotta go all the way to the end. And then this is the part. Now this is a 1. And I have to slip my hand into this thing like this. And then I put it on. I can show you guys right here. I gotta put this on right here. And then this piece right here clips like that. And then that's just going right there. And boom. Nice fit. Nice fit. And like I said, I had to get a 1. And a lot of people that was in there thought there was a 2. Some people was a 1. Some people was a 2. But nobody really got to the 3. And let me tell you, it is limited. I got there early. It was somebody that drove 4 hours. 4 hours to come to this store because there are limited stores. Meta is limited where they put them at. They're not putting them in all Best Buys. You trying to get an appointment, it's going to be hard to try to get these glasses on day 1. I thought I was going to go with the big glasses, but I end up going with the standard ones, just like here, So I did try the demo. They did walk me through some things, working with it, with your hand and everything. Man, it was pretty intuitive. And I just can't wait to see what they really could do What did I just spend my money on? And is it right for you? And I want you to see that the charging cable for the band comes in the box, and it magnetically goes to the back of the band, and it starts charging the band, and then the case starts charging right here. So you can charge the case right here on the side. Then when you go over to the band, the charging cable goes into the back. This was just a first look of the band and the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. I'm about to install what I got to install, all the software. I'm about to do a deep dive into these glasses and let you guys know, is this right for you or not? Because when you spend $800, you want to know. And listen, I ain't gonna put no fluff on it. I'm gonna let you know, yeah, these are great. Get them, or maybe you should wait. So let's see. Stay tuned for that video. And oh yeah, the name is about to change to Viper VR and Tech. Now, Father VR and Tech, look out for that video coming really, really soon. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.